Hello, welcome back to the channel. We're here on Valentine's Day as ever at the Motorist. Starting off with a wander around the normal car park on the dirty gravel, and as you can probably tell already, assuming you didn't read it at the start, it's Scandinavian Day. That means lots of Volvos and lots of SAABs. The show part of the car park is already full or close to full, so we are here with quite a few SAABs, Volvos in the standard parking. We'll walk back up the middle, you'll get views from both sides. There's Volvo there, there's a big old Volvo estate with massive speakers in the boot. Was Angus there. Lovely SAAB convertible, striking VW van. It's not Scandinavian, but it's a lovely colour. Porsche there, Volvo estates. Did anyone ever do estates better than Volvo? I really don't think they did. Smile, people. That's a SAAB base. That one's got an engine, apparently. Nothing different to the others, but it's got an engine. Probably the first day of the year that roof has been down, or that roof. It was still really cold, 4 degrees, but with the sun out, that was actually quite nice on the back of your neck, or on your bald bonds, if you may. So that's led to quite a few roofs being down on these convertible SAABs of varying ages. Lovely colours there. Another one that's got an engine, look. Come look at it. Turbo. Needs a wash. Thank you. Yeah, Volvos again. Young lad being brought up well here. Let's look at cars, Daddy. Exactly. Coming round with more Volvos, with more SAABs, with very nice blue on there. Not that I'm a biased at all to that shade of blue all of a sudden. Of course not. That one's lovely. Come back and have a closer look at that one later. Cracking wrap on this one, beautiful metallic green, few extra touches. Again, that's another one I'll come back to later. There's less bodies around it. Mark IV Escort. Audi, is that an 80? Mark I Escort here now. Lovely Nova and a classic Mini. Nothing Scandinavian, but all stunners. Cute little doggy seems to like this one. Loving that badge. Not a Ferrari, it's a Volvo. It's a Stag. Or a Stag. As a Triumph on, I would say. Is that lovely blue again? Not biased, honest. Polo cot, is that where the kids go? God, that was bad. Not the car, the joke. Volvo Cross Country Estate. Lawson. For Puma. And flip over for the bay. That BTCC replica there. We'll have a good look at that later as well. 9 series on the end, culmination of the 7 series, and probably the greatest estate ever built. Lovely purple paint job wrap on that one. Again, we'll have a look at that later as well. There we go, the BTCC special. Some of its wrap's starting to peel in places, but great effort. Harking back to a golden age in the sport. Just dig the sun bouncing off that purple one next to it though. Stunning colour. And round in front of the Arnage with Volvo estates after Volvo estates after Volvo estates. And I still don't think there's a better estate. I keep saying that, but it's true. JPS one there. And somebody's been waiting for parts like I was for the Diesel 6. Quick view from the balcony. Quite a busy day for freezing cold February. Well, it's the only dry day of the year, the first dry day of 2026. And it's in the middle of chuffing February. Quick look at what's in the garage now, currently being worked on. And then into the shop. The newly placed Capri. And back outside. Have a wander around. Take a few photos. So, yeah, drop down in the comments your favourite car of the day. Anything I should have spent more time on, and I will do if I see it again. And as ever, thanks for watching. If you like what you see, give me a like, give me a follow. If you don't, why are you still here? Enjoy these shots. Be seeing you. Look at that green. A what edition? Told you I like this one. I'm finishing off with a few nice ones from the general parking, and that is actually for sale, that milk float. We'll have a quick look around the foyer, but if you fancy your own milk float with a bit of motoring history, as in it was a sweetie shelf in the Motorist, give them a bell. That could be yours.